What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new cybersecurity company to the channel, and that company is called Cybeats Technologies. Now, Cybeats Technologies focuses on software when it comes to cybersecurity, and as we know, is a very important, growing market. So I'm excited to be talking about this company, guys. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you Cybeats. So guys, the first thing I wanted to quickly take a look at was in fact the stock price. So as of the close of Friday, the 12th of May, the stock closed at $1.23. Now, the stock currently has $117.43 million market cap Canadian and trades on the CSE under ticker symbol CYBT. It's got a 52-week range of 82 cents all the way up to $1.65. So it currently sits right in and around that range, but I wanted to point something out very interesting. The stock has pulled back recently, but it's bounced off $1 twice, and now we're starting to get some upward momentum in the last 6 months. And if we take a look at the 1 month chart, we can see here, stock's been gathering a bit of momentum and it's been trending upwards. So hopefully this uptrend continues. Now I wanted to quickly head on over to one of the press releases, most recent press release. Cybeats announced the closing of private placement for gross proceeds of over $6.2 million. So they raised at $1 with $1.40 warrants. So let's see what the CEO had to say about this capital. It's nice to know that a company has just raised money because hopefully they won't need to raise for another while. The capital raise will fuel the ongoing support of our overwhelming commercial demand within the growing SBOM management market. The additional working capital will also support the onboarding of recently announced enterprise clients. So that is some good news. Now let's head on over to their website. That is Cybeats.com. So Cybeats SBOM Studio. First thing I wanted to do was actually take a quick second to explain to you guys what SBOM means. So SBOM, that's Software Bill of Materials. So a Software Bill of Materials is a list of all the open source and third-party components present in a code base. And SBOM also lists the licenses that govern those components, the versions of the components used in the code base, and their patch status, which allows security teams to quickly identify any associated security or license risks. So that's what Cybeats focuses on. Automating SBOM management to help organizations accelerate vulnerability management while reducing costs and increasing product security posture. So let's go over a couple of key points. So universal transparency. Cybeats provides a single pane of glass into your software supply chain. Our platform seamlessly ingests SBOMs in all standard languages, that is SPDX and Cyclone DX. Also, robust software supply chain intelligence. Cybeats aggregates and manages your SBOMs at every level during various stages of the DevOps cycle, enabling you to enact meaning insights to make data-driven decisions about your software supply chain. And finally, reduce risk at scale, so seamlessly embed security into existing workflows to efficiently protect your future while innovating with speed and scale. So guys, I want to head on over to their website just to go over what the company offers and the market they're in, along with some key points when it comes to companies. So Cybeats, so holistic software supply chain security. So the software bill of materials, SBOM Studio, enterprise SBOM management. So the most comprehensive management solution to collect, store, and distribute SBOMs at scale. What this means: SBOM inventory and management, vulnerability and licensing risk assessment, enforced compliance standards, and SBOM sharing. So runtime device self-protection, Internet of Things security platform. So they also have a runtime device self-protection, an integrated security platform designed to secure and protect high-valued connected devices, build secure and protected devices by design. Continuous detection of malicious attacks, autonomous intrusion prevention, and it also detects and mitigates zero-day attacks. So we can see some of their partners, they're listed on the website, but now I want to dive into their investor booklet to get a little bit more information on the company. So software made certain. Cybeats is a leading software supply chain intelligence technology provider, helping organizations manage risk, meet compliance, and secure software from procurement, development through operation. Our platform provides customers with deep visibility and universal transparency into their software supply chain. As a result, enables them to increase operational efficiencies and revenue. So we can see the company's management team there. The company's CEO, Yav Rader, 25 plus years of experience as an innovative tech leader, led development at Canada's largest medical tech development firm. So take a look at the management team. They seem to be highly experienced. So what is their approach? Security by design, proactive solutions, and real-time intelligence. So let's talk about the addressable markets. $395 billion USD in 2021. 5% to 40% of organizations enforcing software supply chain security in 2021. 40% by 2027. $3.9 million. That's what the average data breach costs, and that was in 2018. I'm sure the prices increase. 55 billion connected devices by 2025 and 3.2 billion 5G, 4G cellular connected devices. So catalysts and value drivers. So world regulation, executive order issued by the White House, increase in high-profile cyber attacks, increasing frequency of software supply chain attacks with devastating impact fueling public concern, and increases in number of Internet of Things devices worldwide fuel public interest and expectations of proper security. So let's talk a little bit more about what they offer, and this is their SBOM Studio. Let's go a little bit more in depth in terms of the key features and what this includes. So, identify software vulnerabilities and provide proactive cyber defense. Categorize vulnerabilities by level of criticality. Software license infringement, alerts to software that is used without permission, associated legal risks and costs. Security send and receive SBOMs with the ability to protect IP. Compliance with regulatory bodies and any SBOM sharing needs. SBOM document management and repository. Enhanced operations workflow and task management for DevSecOps. Then, Internet of Things security. Secures and protects connected devices with robust on-device micro-agent at a third of the competitor's footprints. Key features, proactive protection of brand equity and customer trust, learns the normal operating behavior of the device and actively detects any anomalies, detects and eliminates cyber threats in real time. So here we go, guys. Q1 of 2023, US listing, NASDAQ, M&A targets at higher valuation, sales acceleration as regulations expand across the industry. Finally, let's talk quickly about the highlights. So world-class team, industry-leading cybersecurity and technology veterans, appointed KOL advisory board with global influence. Regulation and market growth. Widespread cyber attacks and government regulation opens a multi-billion-dollar window for Cybeats solutions. Industry validation. Widespread global presence within software supply chain security. Products recently highlighted by Gartner and Forrester. Enormous value potential. So comparable companies are receiving 100x multiples in recent financings and M&A transactions. Finally, commercial traction. Signed several commercial licenses with 10 plus companies in trial evaluation, several high-profile partnerships, including APMA and Vericor. And then finally, we have this value comparison. We can see here, there is multiple $100 million companies along with a couple billion-dollar companies. So feel free to download this simple presentation, read it over for yourself. I simply wanted to highlight the company. Obviously, this sector is a hot, growing sector that is becoming very, very important. So take a look at this stock, put it on your radar. We'll see what happens, guys, but it's going to be exciting to watch along. If you do support the channel, smash the like button, drop me some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you do like these videos. That's it for the video, guys. We'll see you in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.